Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a slightly late no-buy update for you, and it is because I forgot about it. Isn't that horrible? I forgot about it. It was supposed to go on the 23rd. I usually film like the day or two before. This is the 24th that I'm filming, and it's probably not going to go up for a couple of days, and by then I will have officially been, actually by the time I'm filming this, I'm already officially at 15 months for my no-buy. And you know, I think part of the reason why I forgot to film this is, one, my kids have been driving me crazy. They are, it's the end of summer, school's getting ready to start, they're a little stir crazy and they're driving me crazy. Love them to pieces, but you know, if you're a mom, you know. And I have been working on the how many years of eyeshadow do I have, and I did that with Paula and Amanda, and if you want, I will I'll put them down in the description box because it's gonna be hard to put cards up there. I'll put the card up here or up here of my video if you want to check that out, and I'm gonna link them in the description box if you want to go check out their videos. So I was really focused on getting that video done, getting all the math done for that one, and when I was done, that big kick in the teeth, I had zero desire to buy anything. At the beginning of the month, I felt a little twinge. I'm like, I want to buy, I want something. I had that itch, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about. You're like, I just want to buy something. I want something new, something that I haven't had for a while, and I felt it. There was nothing specifically that I wanted to have. Like, there was no highlighter or blush or eyeshadow palette or anything like that that was on my radar that I was saying, oh, I would really love to have this. It was just that urge to buy. And I know you guys know what I'm talking about. At 15 months, I still get that urge. I still get, it's like a compulsion that I want to buy. I don't want anything. I can logically look at a cosmetics website. I can look at like what's up in makeup and all of that kind of stuff, and I see all of these new palettes coming out, the blushes, the highlighters, the bronzers, you name it, whatever it is, and I look at all of those specific products and I'm like, yeah, I don't really want that. I'm not interested, and it has nothing to do with the size of my collection. Nothing is intriguing me. Nothing is speaking to me saying, buy me. Yet, in the back of my mind, I have this compulsion to want to buy new things. It is, I don't want to say it's an illness because it's not, but it kind of feels a little bit like an addiction, like a buying addiction. And they say that you can create new habits. I think it's like in 66 days. I've been 15 months without buying, and I still have that compulsion. So shopping for me, shopping for cosmetics and beauty related things to me is clearly not a habit, because I have gotten past that changing your habits kind of time frame. This compulsion is something completely different, and I know there's other people out there that will completely understand what I'm saying. Nothing is on my radar. Absolutely nothing is on my radar, but I feel the urge to buy. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy. Though technically this is my replacement haul as well. I'm gonna show you what I bought, and it's not very exciting. It's not. I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and I forgot to bring it all out here, so I'm gonna pause this video for a second and I will be right back. Sorry about that. I had to go grab my very extensive replacement haul, and I really don't want you guys to be jealous, okay? I'm laughing because it's absurd. It legit is a replacement haul, the way my mind says a replacement haul should be. All right, you ready for this? Very, very exciting replacement haul. The first thing that I replaced was my witch hazel. I bought the Equate witch hazel from Walmart, and yeah, it's really exciting. It's less than $2. But I'm out of toners, I'm out of witch hazel, and well, I needed something. So there it is. I also was out of my astringent, so I got really exciting. Yep, the Equate from Walmart astringent deep cleaning. I want to say that was just under $4, and I know you guys are jealous. Don't hate, because I got all the cool new products here, okay? Don't hate. All right, you ready for the next one? I know you are. This is makeup remover. Again, it's the Equate brand. Are you noticing a theme here? Because I'm trying to take my no buy seriously. And you know, I don't need fancy name brands. This one I think is the one that was recommended by Stephanie from the Daisy Girly. And I actually really like it. It's the Equate, and it is the dupe of the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I do want to try the other one. There's another one that Equate does that is a dupe of, I want to say it was like the L'Oreal. When this one's done, I'll replace it with that one and I'll figure out which one I like better. But I really do like that one. All right, last product that I got that's a replacement. Hold the phone, people. It's exciting. More Equate. This is the regular nail polish remover. It is that kind that you stick your finger in, because mine was dying, and like every time I stick my finger in there, like chunks of the sponge come off, and yeah, it had to be replaced. I know you guys are totally jealous of my haul, my replacement haul, but I just want you to know I am taking this no buy seriously. It doesn't seem like it because I'm kind of joking around with you guys, but I do take it very seriously. And I know that a lot of people that watch me have commented that they take it seriously and that they are inspired by the fact that I have gone so long. And I'm gonna keep going. I have the urge to buy, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do it for me, and I'm gonna do it for you, because it can be done. We can overcome those urges to buy, especially if there's not really a specific thing that we want. And I wonder sometimes when like a new blush or something like that comes out, or a new palette, is it truly that we want that palette or that blush or whatever, or is it that it's something new? I feel like I need to go buy something new. And I get that a lot. I get that. It's like, it's the equivalent for me of like binge eating. When I'm stressed or I need to pick me up, I will eat comfort foods and stuff like that. And to me, that kind of shopping is seeking comfort, and I don't need that. I don't need that, because having all that extra stuff makes me feel uncomfortable. So it's kind of like that catch-22, and I don't need that in my life. You don't need that in your life. Paula, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Stop buying, girl. Love you, really. Yeah, that is pretty much it for my no buy 15-month update and my replacement haul, my very exciting replacement haul. I'm going to keep going. I don't have anything that I want to buy right now, and I want to keep going. I really do. I'm hoping to get to June 23rd of 2019. That's my goal. And we're just going to keep going, because that will be 24 months or 2 years if I can get to June 23rd of next year. Wish me luck. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in the next video, have a beautiful day.